Plant embryology. Embryology, it is the branch of the botany which deals with the study of different embryological processes. In embryology, there are the different embryological processes like gamete formation, double fertilization, endosperm formation, polyembryony, apomixis, etc. Embryogenesis. The process of development of embryo from zygote, it is called as embryogenesis. It occurs after the fertilization of an ovule, and so sometimes it is also called as post-fertilization changes. So all the processes after the fertilization, they are included under the embryogenesis. Johnson P. Maheshwari are the famous embryologists. The P. Maheshwari is the famous Indian embryologist. In embryo formation, diploid zygote, or it is also called as fertilized egg, which is a diploid structure, undergoes many cellular divisions and then the embryo is formed. In the embryo, there are the major 5 components. The first, that is the shoot meristem, hypocotyle, root meristem, root cap, cotyledons. So the diploid zygote undergoes many cellular divisions, either transverse division or the longitudinal divisions, and embryo is produced. So after the formation of the zygote undergoes rest, and that resting period, it is called as dormancy. In some plants, zygote divides immediately without resting period, but generally in the angiosperms, zygote undergoes rest. During the dormancy period, some changes occurs, like the large vacuole shrinks. Due to the shrinking of the vacuole, cell size get reduced. Cytoplasm accumulates towards the chalazal end and the first division in this region. Then there is the increase in the dictyosomes and the very important, that is the formation of the polysomes from the ribosomes. That means metabolic activities takes place in this region. So here chalazal end is there, micropylar end is there. At the micropylar end, there is the diploid zygote. In the center, triploid endosperm nucleus, and at the chalazal end, cytoplasm get accumulated. Then there is one interesting thing, that in majority of the angiosperms, primary endosperm nucleus divides first and then the zygote divides. This is a very interesting thing. Triploid nucleus, which is formed by the union of 2 secondary nucleus with 1 male gamete, and the triploid structure is produced. And that structure, now we called it as primary endosperm nucleus. This primary endosperm nucleus divides first and then the zygote divisions of the zygotes undergoes a transverse division. Then towards the micropylar end, CB, that is the basal cell, is produced, and towards the anterior end or towards the chalazal end, CA, that means apical cell or the terminal cell, is produced. And this two-celled stage, that is called as proembryo. So after some time, After the some resting period, zygote undergoes division. Transverse division takes place towards the macropylar end. Basal cell is produced, and towards the chalazal end or towards the interior end, the apical cell or the terminal cell is produced. And this two-celled stage is proembryo. So next time we discuss the further divisions in the proembryo.